Cordoaria Travessa da Cordoaria de Chao-chão Pátio da Cordoaria Streets of Macau Lane of the Pagode Lane of the Road Factory Courtyards of the Road Factory Street names of Macau Meandering the alleys Previous road factories Pagoda and lanes and shines The ever-changing landscape of Macau
Okay, this is called Pagoda Lane. I don't know if I filmed it or not. The reason I'm not so sure is because this little place looks completely unique and different to me. I don't recall filming this. It's so interesting. I don't know. I want to just kind of check and make sure that I did or didn't. But anyways, we're gonna film it now, and then if I do have it again somewhere, I will put it back in the link of the last time I was here. And then we can see what it looked like in the thumbnails at the end. So that's usually what I do, is I usually add the last 2 times I was on a particular street. So we're gonna put this up on the map so you can see exactly where we are as well. And this is called Travessa da Pagode. Okay, we got another slice of Macau for you. Let's put this up on the map so you can see exactly where we are. Without further ado, let's just get right into it as if you're there yourself. Another slice of Macau. Okay, so we are going to take a look down this street before we go down. This is Estellagens. Goes all the way down to Sao Paulo ruins. This is the old warehouse lane right here. Also kind of an interesting street. And then there's definitely stuff down that way. And we're going to be capturing this. Let's see what that looks like. I'm gonna try to go across the street first. Now let's try to capture that whole building. So yeah, that looks kind of different. I just don't think I have filmed it. I don't know if that was like that before. There's like a corrugated metal, which implies it's either all covered up before, or they did something to it. Okay. So this is the base of our target street right here, Travessa do Pagode. We just kind of, yeah, it looks so unique. All the windows too. Huh, but it's also like kind of dilapidated, so you can see all of that inside. So I don't know. Let me see. See what else we got in here. Huh. Tiny little alley like that. See how small that is? And this is a small little alley in here too. This alley actually connects all the way through. I don't think this is the street, but it just kind of goes in between all the buildings like that. Check out how strange that is. So yeah, some pretty strange stuff. Okay, so we're gonna walk all the way down our Pagoda Street. These look pretty strange as well. Huh. That's the Taoist temple is right over there on the other side. So this is Pagoda Street, and then on the other side is also I think it's like called Temple the Pagoda. It's like a pagoda as well. Look at those buildings. So yeah, we're kind of on this different. Yeah, I don't know if I filmed it or not. So the streets are so interesting in here. I think I filmed Rua do Pagoda, but not Travessa. But I'll link the last time I was here. There's a lot of pagoda. There's one in Taipa, Here's Hua de Pagoda, different street name, but kind of similar name. Travessa de Pagoda. Might be the first. So strange. I feel like I filmed all the streets, but then there'll be stuff like this that I don't know if I filmed or not. Looks like we have a little patio here. Pátio dos Velhos. I think Velhos is yellow. Yeah, I don't think I filmed in this one before. Pátio dos Velhos. So that's like a little alley that goes all the way up. Yeah, I don't think I filmed that. I'll probably film it. I'll try to film it later though. Huh. That's so strange. I've walked around all over Macau for like 13 years. Been like filmed lots and lots of streets. And then sometimes there'd be like something that doesn't really seem like I have filmed it before. So here's Rua de Madeira Street. Travessa de Cordoaria. Okay, so that street up there is kind of interesting. So what I'm gonna do is just capture this image before we go. So this is the pagoda, Travessa de Pagoda. Kind of cool looking street. And we're just going to go out all the way to the main street. We'll follow this other one too, this little Travessa. I don't know if I've filmed this one either. There's also streets with a similar name too, so. But I want to combine it with this with the main street up here, because the main street is kind of a highlight street. The alley. Huh. So I think we're coming out to the Central Hotel up here. It's like a little street too. Chinese New Year. Okay, so so there's a couple of streets that I didn't really expect this. Okay, so we're gonna come out to here and then we're gonna end the video shortly. Travessa de Cordoaria. And this is kind of the main road right in here. So I just kind of go in and just kind of capture it briefly. You can see all the arcade rooftops. All the other kind of architecture. It's called Sun Malo. Some of the black and white tiles. Okay. So yeah, that's Cordoaria, and also the pagoda. And I think I'm going to just go up this little alley and just combine it, since it's kind of interesting and unique as well. This one. What is that? It's so strange. Yeah, I never walked up this one before. Little houses in here. It looks like that alley feels kind of new. And I don't even know if this has a street name to it, so I'm gonna just tie it into the Cordoaria. Oh, it says Pátio do Cordoaria. So we had, I think that other one was a Hua, and this is a little patio. So I guess this is connected. Escola, Pátio, and this kind of comes right out here. Huh. Kind of a cool looking yellow building right there. And now we're out the little Pátio. Almeida Ribeiro. This is Almeida Ribeiro right in here. It's a little tiny Pátio as well. Okay, so we're gonna end our video